First, I'm going to demonstrate what you must not do before answering the activity. So please, I beg you to don't skip this part because I want to share my big mistake from my experience so you don't have to. So of course, I've read the instruction rather, and I've attempted to meet the expected output until I finish the project. So, as it says, I declared window function, the onload function, window onload load function, and then it says it needs to tell all of our inputs. So all of our input elements rather. So I declared variable inputs, then document, use the method query selector all input. There it is. So that is in order to call the element inputs into one variable. So I called the variable inputs, interpolated with a for each method, so that the input element, there it is, in here, will automatically return the expected unchanged property setting. This one. Setting, pardon my words. The expected output from this instruction rather. So I did call the element, then the property on change to the update function. Of course, that's wrong. So I did a little more than tweaking, troubleshooting, and debugging. I even cheated. I asked ChatGPT the answer without understanding because I was so tired. I even asked some AIs, Bard, chat, what is it called? The chat box AI, and Bard. I also took a sneak peek from Stack Overflow, but no to avail. So I've debugged for 5 hours or so. I've researched and debugged. It is only then when I read the whole code and then passed the activity. So it was so funny. So let's delete this one. And then it says in your onload function. And when I read the whole code, I saw the onload function has been already been declared. So it should be inside this. There it is. We're already inside the onload function. So what we only need to do is to call the element, the onChange property, and assign it to the function, not call the function. So there. So for 5 hours or so, I've wasted 5 hours of my life, and I think, but at least I learned a lesson, I guess. What I failed to realize is that I'm building something with the free code camp, not just following instructions, but to gain foundation. Okay, so rather than we straightforwardly understand the instruction, it would be best to understand the codes we are building and we have implemented, then answer the instruction. Nice.